Why did she tell me about Sarah? Okay, every time I bring her up, you end up evading it. So tell me.
Malcolm killed Sarah. He didn't kill her directly. He used someone. He put them under the influence of a drug so she wouldn't know what she was doing.
She? She who?
You killed Sarah.
Oh God. Oh God. No, she was my friend. How could you not tell me?
Because you weren't you.
Oh God.
I will tell Ross this was you, that Thea was under your control.
And he will still kill her. She fired the arrows.
You've given her a death sentence.
I killed Sarah.
What happened wasn't your fault, Thea. Because it wasn't your decision.
You went overboard with a series of techniques designed to do one thing: cripple.
Oliver?
Malcolm warned me not to take you to Nana Parbat. He said that when people go in the pit, they don't come out the same.
And then you left. So you know what? It doesn't really qualify you to judge me or anyone else. He used me. Someone you trust. How could you have done this to me? I don't deserve to be living any more than Malcolm does.
It's spinning!
Still think you're in charge?
There would be no justice in killing you.
I killed Sarah! Kill me!
I can't imagine that it's gonna get any easier. And I don't think that it should. I want you to bring my sister back to life.
Even if Sarah went into the pit, even if it worked,
Who am I?
what came out of the pit would not be Sarah.
Laurel, please! Don't! Are you sure you want to do this? I warned you, Laurel. I begged you. What happened to Sarah last year was on Malcolm's hands. But what's happening to her now is on yours.
Thea wasn't dead.
Sarah is. Look Sarah in the eyes. She wasn't there.